Today we are reviewing this little baby here, LED sunset light. And you might be thinking, yeah, so what does it do then? Well, it projects light. Yes, it actually projects a nice warm glow of light. It says multiple colour mode switching. And we are doing a review on it. It costs, at the time making this video, around about £24, something like that. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description so you go and check it out. So with that, let's get her open. It came in another box, but I took it out of that box and just used this box. So it comes with instructions. I don't think I need them, do we? Move them out of the way. Comes with a little bendy tripod. I've never had one of these bendy ones before, so it's a bit different for me. But yeah, it should still work just the same. Being bendy, you should be able to bend it like Beckham. Oh look, it's even broken. Look, it's broken already. Oh, that's not good, is it? Oh dear. Right, anyway, we'll carry on. Ah, see that? See all the chip inside? Yeah? That's good, isn't it? It's quite good. Right, I need a USB power source. I'll unplug this and then we're going to give it a test. Give me a second. Luckily, we have a power bank, so I'm going to plug it into there, see what happens. Anything? Anything? Oh, it did flash. So we have on off. Whoa. Oh, I see. Okay. So, different modes, different brightnesses. Whoa, that hurts your eyes. Let's do that. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll turn off my studio lights so we can have a proper look. And then I will set her up onto a wall. Right, there you go. So we go. So on off. Brightness. That's bad. I'm going to put in a complaint about that. So the tripod broke straight away. Didn't even do nothing. Let's go for the different modes. That's very good. Actually, it looks quite good on that moon, doesn't it? What else we got? Static. Oh no, it's changing colour. That's quite nice. I quite like that. It's very good. Right, I'm going to try it on the wall now. Right, this is in my kitchen, believe it or not, with all the lights turned off, obviously, so you get the best effect possible. And yeah, it actually makes the picture look totally different. It sort of brings it to life. I don't know if I'm just imagining it, but it seems to give it more life, especially on certain colours. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think, yeah, it definitely does something a little bit different. And also let me know in the comments what you would use this light for. So with that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.